Hello, in this lesson, we're going to cover what a Bitcoin wallet is. Out of all of the concepts regarding Bitcoin and blockchain, cryptocurrencies in general, a wallet is probably the easiest to get your head around. It is essentially the equivalent of a bank account. That's it. We can end the video right here. Less than a minute. Mind joking. There's obviously a bit more to it than that, but that's essentially what it is. It's like a bank account. It's a collection of private keys that facilitate the sending of bitcoins, or it could be coins in general, cryptocurrency coins in general. It facilitates the receiving of, what I'm going to do is just say coins. Like I said, it can be other cryptocurrencies. And it obviously allows you to store them. Like a regular bank account, you could go on there. I could send £100 to you. You could send £50 to Bob, for example. And obviously we are storing them as we are sending and receiving them as well. So that's essentially what a Bitcoin wallet is: collection of private keys for sending, receiving, and storing coins. There are two main types of wallet, two main types of wallets in cryptocurrencies, that is. There's a software online wallet, and this is essentially you going onto a website or an application which is connected to the internet, such as Coinbase. That is a wallet, and what you are doing is using it as if you was using online banking, for example. So not more to it than that for the software side. But there's also something called a physical hardware wallet, which stores the private keys on a physical device such as a USB stick. It wouldn't be just any ordinary USB stick that you can get off Amazon. It would be a USB stick that is designed for storing the coins. Obviously, there are advantages to both. It's a lot more convenient using the software side. It is considered to be more secure with a decent physical wallet. The majority of wallets are, can you guess, software based, simply because you don't need to be carrying a physical piece of hardware that is linked to it. Obviously, your phone might be a physical piece of hardware, but you could have two different phones. So if you were to change phone, you could still access it. Whereas with the hardware wallet, if you lose the wallet, you're basically screwed. As in the real world, if you lose your physical wallet and you have, I don't know, $100 in there, you will lose those $100 unless you somehow found it. So that's it for Bitcoin wallets. We'll be covering Bitcoin exchanges very soon, and a lot of the time people do confuse the two terms. A lot of wallets, Bitcoin wallets, are actually exchanges as well. Actually, one thing I do want to mention: many wallets, such as Coinbase, which is probably the most popular one, many wallets allow the storage of different cryptocurrencies. So in the case of Coinbase, I know they allow you to store the big one, the big daddy of them all, Bitcoin, Ethereum, which is the second largest, and Litecoin. I'm pretty sure they don't like to store any other coins than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, but that might change in the future. So that's it for Bitcoin wallets. Essentially, it's a wallet to store your Bitcoins, send and receive them. Very similar to how a bank account facilitates sending and receiving fiat currency and storing the fiat currency as well. If there were any concepts in this video or topics that you're confused about, feel free to reach out or go through the video again. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next lesson.